Hi, it's Karen from Simply Said with Karen, and today I want to show you a new product that will be available for purchase November the 1st, 2019. And it's a really nice suite, and I'll go through the different products that are available. It has the papers here, and the stamp set, the dies, the glitter, enamel dots, ribbon, and the bracelet. First of all, I'd like to show you the paper. It's a package of 12 by 12 sheets, and there's the one that with the large roses on it, and the other side is pine cones. This one is a diamond shaped, and it's Cherry Cobbler, and on the other side it's a real pretty scroll type of pattern with looks like holly leaves. And this one is just bunches of roses together, and the back is filigree. The colors that are in this suite are Poppy Parade, Cherry Cobbler, Gold, Whisper White, and Mossy Meadow. The next thing I'd like to show you is the ribbon. It's really pretty. It's shiny on both sides, and I've used it on a couple of cards that I'm going to show you. This is the glitter gold dots, enamel dots, and there is 2 sets of them, and they range in size, small, medium, and large, so you could get lots of use out of those. Here is the stamp set. There's a set of 2, and the one stamp is red rubber, and it's one large rose. And as you notice, when I showed you the roses on the designer series paper, it is the same as this rose, so it's the same size, that you can do various things with it. You can color with your blends or your markers or watercolor pencils. There's also a set of clear stamps with your sentiments on it, and you can use your Stamparatus to build your own rose in various colors. And what I found when I did this is that I had to really careful following this rose so that I could get all the different elements together, and then you just go back and fill in what you're missing. So now you can purchase this. Oh yes, I need to show you the dies. This is the die for the large rose, and then some dies for the sentiment there, and there's several filigree type dies that you can use to decorate the front of your cards. The last thing that's in this set is a bracelet, and it's gold tone. It's not real gold, but it has Stampin' Up's logo on it, plus the rose charm. And to get this on, I just stretched it a little bit to get it over my knuckles. So it's really pretty. You could keep it yourself or give it as a gift. And the box it comes in is really pretty too. You could use it for another type of gift. So here are the cards that I did. The first card is this one. I stamped it on Whisper White with gold, or with Versamark, and then embossed it with gold, and used the diamond shaped pattern, designer series paper, backed it with some of the gold ribbon, and die cut this and just put it on the front of the card, and then of course just put some plain Whisper White inside the card, the card base is Cherry Cobbler. It's really pretty, simple and fast. So this is the one that I did using the cutout, the large rose, and cutting it out on from the designer series paper. And it fits, let me see, there we go. So it fits right in there like that, and you can die cut it. And this is so easy to make a card with this. And what I did was I also cut out a piece of the Whisper White and backed it so that it made it a little more substantial, so it wouldn't bend or rip. And I finished this card off with a gold filigree here, and the gold glimmer dots, a gold ribbon, and a bit of the lace. This is the back side of the paper with the roses on it, and on the inside I just stamped the sentiment with the Delicata gold ink. For the next card, I stamped the card on Whisper White with Tuxedo Black Memento ink, and I colored it with my blends using Poppy Parade, Cherry Cobbler, Mossy Meadow, and then I used the Wink Stella to give it some glitter. I used the twine from the Magnolia, Good Morning Magnolia set, and then just stamped this again with the gold. Mounted it on Mossy Meadow cardstock, along with edging it with the gold foil papers, and I did cut a oval vellum for the backing to the rose. On the inside, I used the Trio detail punch and just punched the four corners to give it a little bit of detail. The last card to show you is the one that I used the Stamparatus and the photopolymer stamps. Stamped my own rose. I did use the same colors, and the Mossy Meadow, I used the early Espresso for the pine cones, and Poppy Parade for the little tiny flowers. And then I just went in and used the early Espresso marker to add some stems on the flowers. Topped it off with the Very Merry from the Itty Bitty Christmas Greetings, and backed it, the Whisper White, with Cherry Cobbler paper and gold foil. And again, I used the old olive twine from the Good Morning Magnolia suite. So now you can purchase this, again, starting November the 1st, 2019. You can purchase the whole set, and in Canadian dollars, it's $154 plus shipping and taxes. Now you do get stamp set and the dies at a 10% discount, and you can just purchase the dies and the stamp, and you can purchase these other products in the suite individually if you like. You can purchase the rose bracelet if you know somebody that would love it for Christmas, and you can purchase the paper separately, the gold shimmer ribbon separately, and the gold glitter enamel dots. So that's it. I wanted to share that with you, and these are the sizes of the stamp, so it gives you sort of an idea of what they are. I want to show you, I did make a box, somewhat like a pizza box, and I filled it with the trio tags, triple trio tags, and decorated it with a bit of the paper and the Cherry Cobbler, the ribbon, and then some gold twine that I had. So you can do a lot of things with this. You can make decor items. So if you would like to purchase, you can contact me at Karen@simplysaidwithkaren.com, and you can also go to my ordering website, which I will put the link into the description on the video. Finally, I'd like to share with you the new grid paper. It's a seasonal grid paper that Stampin' Up has brought out for the Christmas. It's a special order, and I will have that on video description as well, the number. And on one side, it's a real nice Christmas scene. It looks like the Christmas toll paper in red. And then on the other side, it's the Christmas trees in the garden green. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and watch for my next one. Bye now.